Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about 5 vitamins to unclog arteries. While maintaining healthy arteries is crucial for your heart health, it's important to understand what works and what doesn't. So let's separate fact from fiction. The problem: clogged arteries. Arteries are the highways that deliver oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. When fatty deposits, cholesterol, and other substances build up, they can clog these arteries, a condition called atherosclerosis. This can increase your risk of heart attack and stroke. Vitamins, helpful but not clog busters. Certain vitamins play a role in heart health, but they can't directly unclog arteries. Here's the breakdown. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help protect against cell damage, but there's no evidence it unclogs arteries. B vitamins, B6, B12, can help regulate homocysteine levels, a risk factor for heart disease, but again, not a direct clog remover. Vitamin E, studies on its impact on heart health are inconclusive. It's best to get your vitamin E from a balanced diet. What actually works? The best approach to maintaining healthy arteries is a multi-pronged attack. Diet. Focus on a heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Limit saturated and trans fats and added sugar. Exercise. Regular physical activity helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces stress on your heart and arteries. Smoking cessation. Smoking is a major risk factor for heart disease. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your heart health. Managing stress. Chronic stress can contribute to heart problems. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Medications. In some cases, your doctor may prescribe medications like statins to lower cholesterol or blood pressure medications. Consulting your doctor is key. It's crucial to speak with your doctor about your individual risk factors and create a personalized plan for managing your heart health. Don't rely solely on supplements, and be wary of miracle cures. While vitamins can be a part of a healthy lifestyle, they aren't a magic bullet for unclogged arteries. Focus on making sustainable changes like a healthy diet, exercise, and managing stress. These are the keys to a healthy heart and a happy you. Thanks for joining me today. Leave a comment below with any questions you have about heart health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-based health information.